Hume 2.27 introduces Ask the Docs in Maestro. Users can ask questions directly in the AI. Answers are generated using an extended GraphRAG approach on Hume documentation. Analysts can now copy content from Hume into reports with greater ease. Charts, tables, and maps can be pasted into Word, Excel, and similar tools. Table widgets and HTML tables are editable after pasting and behave like native tables in Word or Excel. Maps, graphs, charts, and images are pasted as visuals. They can be resized or moved freely in the document. Entire action boards can be copied in one step, preserving their sequential order. Content can also be copied from standard action dialogues in action boards or in visualizations. Tabular data can now be exported as CSV or Excel files directly from action boards. Hume 2.27 helps analysts build rich, detailed reports faster and with less friction.